Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, in this video, I'm giving away this X103W drone, the really cool one with LED landing lights. Really nice drone. You've seen my review on it, and the controller for this looks like a Mavic controller. Really nice drone. Just a little correction there. I'm not giving it away, you see, because if I gave you a drone, I would have to give you a used one. So I contacted the good people at TomTop, who send me a lot of drones for review, and told them that I have over 50,000 subscribers now, and I'd like to do something back to all these lovelies, you guys, you lovely subscribers. And they said, hey, why don't we just give this drone on your behalf? And I said, that would be great. And they said, oh, by the way, we're having an anniversary sale. Can you send some of your people to our anniversary sale? Because we have boats on sale, RC cars on sale, drones on sale, FPV quads on sale. And I said, why not? We'll do this together. So in this little contest I have here, it's really simple. All I'm going to do is, if you look below this video, you're going to see a link to the TomTop website. You just have to click on it. You're going to go right to their sale. You don't have to do anything, but while you're on that page, on their webpage, I'm going to ask a question, and I'm going to say, hey, go to that page and tell me, what do you see like in the top left-hand corner? And if you see something like a bird, well, then you just have to write an answer below, I see a bird. And guess what? You're entered. It's that simple, and this drone could be yours. So here's how it works. The contest runs from today all the way up to the 22nd of June. So sometime on the evening of the 22nd of June, I'm going to use the YouTube random comment picker, and I'm going to pick one of you lucky people who posted a comment below that are subscribers to my channel. I'm going to pick one of your comments randomly, and you will be the winner. And I'm going to videotape me picking your comment, and I'm going to post that video on the 23rd of June. So make sure you watch the video, because I'm not going to contact you. You have to watch the video to see if you won. Now, if there's any more rules to this contest, I post them below, but you know, I try to keep things really easy. And this is just one of those contests where I'm trying to help out TomTop, and at the same time, you guys get to win a drone. So it's really simple. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the winner. Take care.